Hyaluronic acid has been dubbed the ultimate hydrator. It's actually a molecule that's naturally found in your skin and connective tissue in your body that acts as a cushioning and lubrication agent for our joints, nerves, hair, skin, and eyes. Hyaluronic acid can draw moisture from the air and keep your skin moist, holding 1,000 times its molecular weight in water. Our bodies produce hyaluronic acid on its own, but in cooler, drier weather, we may need more. You can also use hyaluronic acid topically and supplement with it for beauty from within benefits. I love the full suite of products offered by Now Solutions. The trio of hyaluronic acid, AM moisturizer, and PM creme is a great set to have on hand. The serum can be used both morning and night underneath the moisturizer and creme. The PM creme has a nice thick consistency to help seal in the moisture our skin often loses during sleep. The hyaluronic acid hydration mist is a great way to rehydrate and replenish thirsty skin, and it contains a clinically tested blend of humectants that decrease skin water loss and visually improves moisture on skin surface. You can also take hyaluronic acid in supplement form, like this Hydration Rescue, which includes a validated and proprietary form of hyaluronic acid called HyaBest, which has been proven to preserve the skin's moisture and support its natural repair processes.